front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Trick's navigation, use this square button. Now click on this icon of a window at the top right corner of your app. And if you have a pop-up window like this one, click on the second one. Now you need to drag your window all the way to the top, and when you see this gray section, let go. You can also drag it all the way down. When you're ready, let go, and as you can see after that, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!